Hey everybody. Okay, so I am live here on Instagram and on Facebook. So I'm going to be kind of going from camera one to camera two to say hello. Happy Monday. I am here with my I Speak Clutter challenge update. We are starting off with week 3 right now. And so I wanted to give you guys sort of a rundown of what the heck the I Speak Clutter challenge is. I have people joining me on Instagram. It's lovely to see you. And I have people joining me on Facebook. Dope. This is awesome. Welcome. So feel free to pop in and out. Totally up to you. I'm going to be reposting this live on my YouTube channel so that if you are interested in joining the I Speak Clutter challenge with me, we're midway through, but don't let that stop you because you know that I am all about progress over perfection. And so if you're jumping in a little bit late, that's totally fine. I want you guys to get just some things decluttered. Get yourself set up to max the relax for the holiday season. So what the heck is the I Speak Clutter challenge? So I know this, you're probably not going to be able to see this properly, but this is a calendar that I have created for the month of November. And it's basically just focusing on all of the tasks that are going to help set you up for a stress-free holiday season. And it's completely free to join. There's no paywall. If you're watching on Instagram, you can go to the link tree. I believe it's the second link in my link tree. And you just go to the webpage, fill out your information, and you're good to go. For Facebook and YouTube viewers, if you guys are watching this replay on YouTube, I'll make sure to pop the link down in the comments section below so you can grab your calendar. And I also just want to bring to your attention that all the stuff on the back, I'm not going to go through how to explain, or I'm not going to go through explaining how to use the printable because I have a video already that's up on my YouTube channel, and I will make sure to link that as well so that you guys can go check that out, and it'll explain how to use the printable, how to do your categories, how to do all the notes, and then let you choose which calendar you'd actually like to use. So I'm going to kind of give you guys a little rundown of how it's been working for me, what I've been focusing on the last couple of weeks. If you guys want to jump in and sort of catch up to week 3 here, we've only done 2 weeks. All of the tasks on my calendar are going to take you more or less 10 minutes, and that's it. So that's kind of the beauty of it. It sort of should be able to weave into your daily routine. And you can batch things and do them all in one day. If you really want to go full on and get caught up, that's an easy way to do it. Everything really takes a very little amount of time to do. Okay, so week 1, I sort of focused on budgeting for Christmas, and I focused on getting my kids' toys and books decluttered because that is the area of our homes that's going to get hit the hardest. We know we're going to be getting a ton of gifts coming in. If you have little kids, you know what I'm talking about. It's like we go really heavy on the gifts. So that is what I focused on for week 1. And I want to give you guys kind of some takeaways of what I experienced doing this project myself, because I am doing this challenge with you. And I have been experiencing some really amazing benefits. I wanted to kind of share them with you. When I tackled the kids' toys and books, I also set up a really awesome toy rotation and book rotation system. And what I have found is that my kids are actually taking books off the shelves, and instead of throwing them everywhere and making a huge mess and not really interacting with them and just being overstimulated, they're actually reading the books. And they're sitting down and we're able to read together. We're able to sort of be more mindful about using the stuff that we have. And the same thing goes for toys. We have a lot less in the space, so there's a lot less choices to make. It's much less overwhelming for them. They're actually pulling things out and playing independently because they're not overwhelmed with choices. And so that has been just a huge game changer for me. It also has made it so that I can clean up a space, like my kids' toy area. If I'm doing a 10-minute reset or something like that, I'm able to get like a 20 to 30-minute cleanup session done in 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm not even joking. So it has freed up almost an hour of my time each day just by getting rid of a bunch of the toys that they have outgrown, things that are broken and missing pieces. I was able to donate things to people in my community, like a lot of the stuff that is not age appropriate anymore. I was able to donate to my local Buy Nothing group. And I had 5 items listed and they were gone and out the door within less than 24 hours. And it was just insanely easy. And I didn't even have to leave the house to get rid of that stuff. So you guys should definitely be using your local Facebook Buy Nothing group if you haven't done that already. So that has just been such a huge game changer. So that was week 1 of the Declutter challenge. And I really encourage you guys, again, like jump in. If you're late on this, it's free. And I want you guys to feel the benefits that I have been experiencing with this. So week 2, what was week 2 about? It was just last week, but there's been a lot going on. Week 2 was all about about clothes and shoes. All right, so I went through and I actually declutter my closet 2 to 3 times a year as it is, but I always surprise myself with how much stuff that I get rid of. And so I think I got rid of 2 full bags worth of donations of clothes and shoes just from my closet alone. Another thing that I have found to be a really big benefit of decluttering your closet is that now I have an idea of what I actually have in there. And I know that sounds kind of like duh, of course, but something that you don't think about until you actually do it. And there's a lot of stuff in my closet that I had forgotten I had. And I'm all of a sudden like really excited to put outfits together, and I'm motivated to dress in something other than athleisure wear when I leave the house, and like put outfits together and just kind of be super just like remotivated, reinvigorated by the stuff in my closet, just by making space and going through and seeing what I have. So that is kind of what week 2 has focused on. Again, because these tasks only take 10 minutes at a time, you should be able to go through and catch up to week 3, no problem, or you can just hop right in and do whatever is going to serve you best. These calendars, you can print out a blank version and create your own if that is something that is more interesting to you. Maybe you don't need to focus on toys and clothes and things, and you want to focus on other areas of your house. So those are just some things that I worked on. Those are the amazing benefits that I have felt. I'm feeling so prepared. We have all of our Christmas shopping done for our kids. I have never done it this early before, and I'm just feeling super chill about everything. And normally I'm a crazy basket case. I'm super type A. And so like just having it all written down in a plan has just lessened the anxiety. I don't have to worry about things being late or not having the things that my kids are going to need or want for Christmas. I was able to feel better about being in my closet and get rid of some things that I had been holding on to, and just like slowly continue the process of healthy decluttering in my space for myself. And so it's just been awesome. So week 3, that's where we're at right now. It's the week before Thanksgiving. And so I am focusing a lot on meal planning, creating lists for shopping for things that we're going to be making. I'm going to be batching meals ahead of time, things that are going to reheat and serve really nicely for Thanksgiving, because we celebrate Thanksgiving in our family. And so I'm just kind of, again, like trying to get ahead of the game here and get all of my shopping and cooking done well in advance, so that when it comes time to get everybody dressed and out the door and on the way through the holidays, that's all I have to worry about, and all of the meals and all the prep for that is done, and I don't have to worry about it. So that's kind of what we're focusing on this week. And I think, oh yeah, we're going to be doing a little bit of Christmas decoration, decluttering, and inventory as well. So we usually decorate the day after Thanksgiving for Christmas. And so I just want to pull things out and say, like, what needs batteries, what doesn't work, what lights do we need to replace, what things might we want to buy, set up a budget for that, all that stuff. So we're just kind of focusing on that towards the second half of the week, just to make sure that we have everything that we need. We're not going to be scrambling for Christmas decorations during the week of Thanksgiving. We're just going to have it all figured out and tackled ahead of time, so that we can just chill and relax during week 4. I'll be back with you guys next week for another update. I'll give you guys kind of a rundown of how the process has gone for me so far. Again, if you are popping in now and you want to join the challenge with me, go ahead and click the link in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube or you're watching on Facebook. I'll have those links provided down below. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure that you go into my link tree and go to the second link, and that is where you're going to pick up your calendar and then go to YouTube and watch the video on how to get started with the challenge. Super easy, 100% free. I would love for you guys to join me. Send me DMs and let me know how the process is going for you guys. And beyond that, I hope you have a fantastic week. I hope that you are getting ahead of the game and you're feeling really pumped. I am super pumped about the holidays this year and feeling really good about it just by being a little bit extra prepared. That's it. So I want you guys to be able to do the same thing with me. All right. That's enough out of me. I will see you guys later. And yeah, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.